Welcome to Communication for Human Society, Practice Journal, Task 5 tutorial. This tutorial is on taking responsibility for our feelings, Chapter 5 in the book. And what we're going to do is we're going to identify stimulus and cause, the 4 choices, and compassionate caring. There are 3 steps: write, give, and explain. So number 1, I'd like you to write the following. I'd like you to briefly describe a situation where you experienced a distinct feeling. Okay, just one sentence in which you experienced a distinct feeling. B, I want you to name that feeling. What was it? C, identify the stimulus. So what was it that stimulated that feeling in you? Some kind of observation about what you were thinking, feeling, or what actually happened. And then D, I want you to identify the cause of the feeling. What was the cause? What caused you to actually have that feeling? Was it what actually happened, or was it how you actually thought about what happened, or chose to think about what happened? Number 2, I want you to give an example of how you might have responded using each of the 4 choices in the situation in number 1 above. Okay, now it's also called the 4 options, the 4 ears. In this exercise, I'm calling it the 4 options, but it's also called the 4 choices. So give an example of how you might have responded using each of the 4 choices in the situation in number 1 above. You can put a little table together if you want. Option number 1, blaming. Blaming others, blaming myself, sensing my own feelings and needs, and sensing the feelings and needs of the other. And number 3, explain the difference between taking responsibility for someone else's feelings and compassionate caring for them. All right? Feel free to reread Chapter 5 if you're having trouble, and good luck.